Welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today, we like to teach you how to use Java code to play a video from your PC. Please, can it take time for us to teach you? Again, we are going to use Notepad and command prompt to run this code so that we can use it to play your video from your computer or from your laptop. Okay, so before you start, you will type your class keyword first. So you type class, and after that you bring your identifier for the class name. So our identifier, we are going to rename it video show. And after that you bring your curly bracket. So inside your curly bracket you come and type public static void main, and you bring your open bracket and you type string args, and you bring your bracket close. After that you come and type another curly bracket again. So when you finish it, you come and type a class called runtime, and you rename your class variable to be r, and you bring your equal sign and you assign it to runtime dot get runtime, and you bring your bracket open and close, and you terminate it with your semicolon. And after that you come and type another class keyword called process, and we will rename our class variable process to be p, and we assign it to be null, and you bring your semicolon. So when you finish, you come and type try, and you bring your curly bracket. So inside your curly bracket, our process variable name, you assign it to our runtime variable name. So our process variable was p, and you assign it to our r. That was our runtime. So you bring dot and you type exec, so exec, and you bring your bracket open and you type new, and you come and type string, and you bring your bracket, and after that you come and type another curly bracket. So inside your open curly bracket you bring your double quote and you type cmd, and you close your double quote and you bring comma, and we come and type another double quote again, and we type /c, and we bring another double quote to close it. After that you bring comma, and again you will type double quote start, and you close your double quote, and you bring your comma again. So when you finish it, you go to your directory and go and find for your path of your video. So you go and copy the path where your video is located. So I'll go to the file explorer and I'll go to my downloads and search for the video I want to play using the Java code. So I'll right click on this video and I'll go and click on the copy as path. So when I finish it, I'll go back to my notepad and paste the copy as path. So when you finish it, you are going to see that the backslash in your path you paste it is only one. So you add another backslash to it and make it double. So here I'll add another backslash, and here too I'll add another backslash, and here too I'll add another backslash, and here too I'll add another backslash. So after that, I'll close my curly bracket and I'll bring my closing bracket and I'll terminate it with my semicolon. So when you finish it, you come and close your try open curly bracket. So after that, you come and type catch bracket open, and you type exception e, and you close your bracket, and you bring another open curly bracket. So inside your curly bracket, you will type system dot out dot print line, and you bring your open bracket. So inside your open bracket, you bring another double quote, and you type error executing video file, and you close your double quote and you close it with your bracket, and you terminate it with your semicolon. After that, you close all your open curly bracket. When you finish closing your bracket, you press Ctrl plus X, and you rename our file to be video show.java, and you click on the save button. So you go to your command prompt. So inside my search bar, I'll type cmd, and I'll go and click on the open. So I want to use the command prompt to run this code. So I'll go to the directory where I save my notepad files in. So my laptop, I save my notepad files to my documents. So I'll type cd documents. So inside my documents, I will type java video show dot java, and I'll press enter. I'll come and type java video show, and I'll press enter, and your video will play on your desktop screen. Please, can you subscribe to our YouTube channel for us? Thank you very much.